Like over here.
Wait, you gotta build. Wait, I think a house. I mean, you can build a house with the. But wait, this can be a house.
So that's the closest houses. But I need to make a house for the bunny.
Well, no, I'm just talking about you gotta put the blocks on the edges.
The edges?
Yeah.
Which should I build first? The house for the clothes or the house for the bunny? Okay. So show me how you want me to do that.
So you fold the clothes like this.
Okay.
Oh wait. That's the wrong way.
Oh.
So you do it like this.
You have to fold the clothes a certain way?
Do it like this, and then you do it like this. And then do it like this. And ta-da! That's how you make these in there. Okay. Now, also you have... Wait. Oh.
What's wrong?
There's no place for the box.
The box.
Wait. This can be where you hand the blocks in here, and then...
But I need the blocks to build the house. For the bunny.
No,
There's all kinds of blocks.
You
I know,
put...
but there's those big blocks.
You put...
Or are these for like, so you hand them to me?
No, you do this. You do them like... So you put them right here.
Mm-hmm.
On these sides. So you put them on here. Wait, it only needs short ones.
Oh, so you only need ones like these.
Okay, that's all blocks.
So we just leave those blocks there?
Wait, those are the blocks for the clothes. Wait, I think we only have a box. I think we only have something for the clothes.
So we just put the clothes in there?
Yeah.
And I just have to make a house for the bunny?
Yeah.
So can I take these blocks off?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay.